If you're considering a DJI drone in 2025, you're looking at some of the best technology the drone industry has to offer. Whether you're a beginner or a professional filmmaker, DJI has something that caters to your needs. Based on my personal experience with DJI drones and insights from trusted sources, here's a detailed breakdown of the top 5 DJI drones you should consider. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the complete package, making it my top recommendation for most users. This drone is lightweight, compact, and brimming with high-end features, including advanced obstacle sensing, intelligent flight modes, and an outstanding camera system that shoots in 4K at 60 FPS. Despite its small size, it offers professional-level performance, making it perfect for hobbyists and semi-professional filmmakers alike. Should you buy it? Absolutely. The Mini 4 Pro is the ideal all-rounder, suitable for both beginners and more experienced pilots. It's a little more expensive than budget drones, but the added features and quality make it well worth the investment. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable entry into the drone world without sacrificing essential features. While it doesn't boast the most advanced specs, it still captures great 2.7K video and 12 megapixels photos, making it suitable for casual users and beginners. Should you buy it? Yes, if you're on a budget or a beginner, the Mini 2 SE is an ideal choice. It's affordable but still provides a solid and enjoyable flying experience. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a mid-range drone with an exceptional obstacle avoidance system, making it perfect for those who prioritize safety during flight. Its 6-directional sensing ensures that the drone can navigate through complex environments with ease, reducing the chances of crashes. It also shoots 4K videos, making it a solid choice for content creators. Should you buy it? If you often fly in complex or tight environments, the Air 3's obstacle avoidance is a game changer. While it's more expensive than entry-level drones, it's a great investment for serious drone pilots. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a cinematic powerhouse. If you're a professional filmmaker or photographer, this drone's capabilities will blow you away. With a 5.1K video camera, dual Hasselblad camera system, and 46 minutes of flight time, this drone is designed for high-end production. Should you buy it? Yes, but only if you're serious about high-end video production. The Mavic 3 Pro is geared towards professionals, and its price reflects that. For content creators who want to produce cinema-quality footage, this is the drone to go for. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. For those looking to create vertical videos for social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, the DJI Mini 3 is a fantastic choice. It's affordable, compact, and optimized for vertical shooting, while still delivering 4K video and 12 megapixels photos. Should you buy it? Yes, especially if you're focused on creating vertical content for social media. It's affordable and tailored for this specific use case, making it a smart investment for influencers and casual creators alike.